What's up, my lovely jack-o'-lanterns, and welcome to a possibly very weird and interesting game. So this game is called Plug and Play. Now, it's not very long. It's maybe like 15 minutes. And from what I've heard, it's only $1 on Steam. Like $1. But it's because it's so short. So I have no idea what this game is about. I have read about it on the Steam page, and I have heard about it from other people that it is a very, very strange game. And so I'm very scared with what we're about to walk into. I heard that it is creepy to a degree, so that's why I'm playing it, because it's Spooktober. But it's also supposed to be very, very odd. And so I'm very nervous about what we're about to encounter here. And this is what happened. This is all I got. Like, I opened up the game on my computer, and this is the first thing that popped up with like this weird blowing wind sound. So I don't know what we're about to get into. So, okay, let's just... Okay, I can grab the plug. Okay. Do I plug it in this? Plug and play. What the fuck? I can grab the fingers. I can wiggle it. No, you will not touch each other. Oh. Did I do something bad? Oh, am I supposed to make them touch their fingertips? Okay. Let's guide them to holy salvation. This is so weird. Okay. All right, they're going to touch. Oh! His nail came off. It's a little plug dude that looks like he has chicken wings for arms and legs. Okay, I could turn his running direction. Okay. What? Okay, you're getting up. Okay. What? I can change his direction? Oh! What? There's another dude? Okay. I need a second. I need like... I feel like I'm on fucking LSD right now. What is happening? It can't... I just... Did I plug it back in? They look like little carrot heads. Wait, what are you doing? Are we playing touch tag? Okay. Do I move them closer to each other? What? Okay, we're back here. Oh! Why'd you do that? What the what the fuck? Oh god. What am I supposed to do with this? Okay, do I stab it? Stab it on top of the button. What? Oh! Oh shit. Nice. Okay, do I plug it in? Okay. That's why I guess this is why it's called plug and play. What? I don't know if I want to continue this game. This is so weird. Like, I'm speechless. I have no words. I don't even know. How are you supposed to commentate over something like this? Wee. Wee. What the fuck? What are you doing? Why are you squatting? He's taking a shit! Why is he shooting out his little fucking coins? Okay. Do I give him back to you? What? I'm giving you back your shit. Can I throw him? Okay. So we had a carrot top plug dude take a shit. We've played tag touch and then punched people, and now we're plugging in more plugs. Do I do this? What the fuck? What is this? Oh, it's just the pause button. Gotta take this out. Oh, okay. Oh, I can make dialogue choices. What? Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Do I know you? Do you know me? Do I know you?
Do I know you?
I don't know.
Do you know
Do
me?
you know me?
How could I know?
I know. I don't know. I know.
I know.
No, you don't.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no,
No.
No.
yes.
What? 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 Are we go? I love you. Do you love me? I love you.
I love you.
I don't think I love you.
Oh no. You're gonna hurt his little carrot top heart. Are you sure?
Are you sure?
I think you don't love me.
I just said I love you. How dare you? Hug me? What? I know I love you. Hug me.
Hug me.
I'm not sure.
Do you listen to me?
Do you listen to me?
I do.
Surely not, because you're not hugging me.
Surely not.
Yes,
No.
No.
yes,
No.
yes,
Yes.
Yes.
no.
Are we gonna have another conversation? Yep, we're gonna have another conversation. Do you love me?
Love me?
I don't know.
I love you.
I love you.
I don't think I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I think you don't love me.
What? I know I love you.
I know I love you.
I'm not sure.
I do love
I
you.
do love you.
I don't.
It hurts.
It hurts.
I'm leaving.
That's just like it hurts, and then just like an awkward silence, and then all right, see ya. Oh no, he's all sad. He's all sad. Little carrot top man, you hurt his little heart. How dare you, woman? Okay, do I do this again? Okay. What? Oh my god. No, I almost had it. Wait, hold on. Let's see if we can do it. Yeah. Oh, come on. That'll be so satisfying. One more time. Yeah. Okay, fucking fine. Jesus. Stop swinging around. Oh my. Okay, we're back to these dudes again. What the fuck? Oh, whoa. Oh, they're hugging. Okay. Whoa! Whoa, what's going on? Are they making love? I don't want to see that. I don't want to see plugs having sex. Okay, fucking... Jesus, fuck! Oh! Oh my god! No! Oh! What? This is the... No! This is like the human centipede! I'm not in... No, butt stuff! What the fuck? Oh no! No, stop! Oh my god. No, don't do it! Don't do it! Oh god! Oh my god! Okay. What? Okay. Oh! What am I looking at? I feel so ashamed. Why am I playing this? I feel so embarrassed of playing this game. What the fuck? Oh my god. I need a fucking second. I need a second. I don't even know what to say. We gotta calm me nerves. Okay, do I do opposite ones now? Okay. Okay, we're back to the fingers. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. What the fuck? Oh! He pulled his finger off. It was a plug. How do I put in the plug? Oh, okay. Are we gonna? We're not gonna point fingers here, right? We know what that looks like. Gotta push the button. Oh my god! It's a flaccid penis. What? What? That was it? That was the game? I need a fucking minute. Is that it? That's the whole fucking thing. That's what we experienced. Okay. Oh my end. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hard day at work, can't get it up. We'll fret no more. Take Jack's Viagra, and once you do it, boing. When you see that booty dough, Squirrel! God, I'm such a child. Okay, let's just fucking end this. Are these the chapter selects? Question mark. Okay. Looks like that's the end. What? I don't even know what to say. Honestly, like I don't even